welcome to this online course on the cell matrix self-configurable architecture. So some of you are here because you know about the cell matrix or you've worked with it and you're trying to find more details on how to use it or get more technical skill in working with some of the software tools perhaps. But some of you may be here without really knowing what the cell matrix is. You may have followed a link or done a search that brought you to this page. So let me give you a very high-level view of what this page in this course is about. This is an online course discussing a reconfigurable hardware system called the cell matrix. The cell matrix is for now an electronic circuit that can be modified to perform different kinds of functions. So it's a piece of reconfigurable hardware, but with the added layer that it is able to introspect, analyze its own circuitry, make decisions based on that, and then potentially modify its own circuitry. And it can do this autonomously, which means that the system at a large scale can be used to build systems that include things like self-repair, self-replication, fault tolerance, and so on and so forth. So this is an attempt to take some of the techniques and tools that have been developed over the past almost 30 years in working with the cell matrix and hopefully present them to a larger audience. We'll be going over a number of different levels of detail of the system, starting with the basic modes of operation of the individual cells, moving down into the more detailed aspects of how the cells are reconfigured and how they reconfigure each other, and then looking at various implications of that in terms of how you build large-scale self-modifying circuitry. This is a work in progress. I'm going to base what I do basically on what sort of feedback I get. If nobody is watching these, then I probably won't develop too many of these videos. But if people seem to be making good use of them and benefiting, I'll probably continue producing these until I'm out of material to talk about, basically. So the goal here is to give people a baseline understanding of the cell matrix and also to bring them up to speed on the tools and techniques involved in working with the cell matrix, and then let people run off from there. So if that's what you're here for, great, welcome. If that's not what you came here for, but you're interested in any of this, feel free to participate in the course to whatever degree you want, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.